Meta just released the version 85 of the operating system. In this video, we're going to take a look about what's new, what is changing compared to the version 83, which was the previous one. Okay, before we start, many of you wanted to access my recent scans with Meta Hyperscape. Now I think I found a way to share them more easily. So you can join this community on Meta Horizon. And in this community, I will share the links to everybody. So you will find the invites directly there. So join the community. You will find the link in the description of this video. So as you can see here, the user interface is different. So they rolled back to a previous update. I think it was the 81, or anyway, a previous update in which this was the user interface. And a lot of people complained about how it looks like. In the version 83, they didn't like it. So they roll it back to how it was. You can see here, there is no transparency. Before there were icons with a transparent background. Instead, now you have the window, you have the toolbar over here, and library is moved here. And you can clearly see the applications here. How can you access settings? Now it's directly here. And quick controls or quick settings are here. Now, what's different? What else? If you go here in Experimental, you don't have anymore the possibility to turn off the Navigator. What else is new? They improved temporal dimming and positional Timewarp. They were already present in version 83, so these are not new. However, they are improved. And here it pretty much describes what it does. This video is not about digging deeper into these features, but you should know these are improved. Something else that improved is the mapping of your room when you're scanning your room and when you select the boundary. These are the main innovations in version 85. If you know there is something else, drop it in the comments so everybody is informed. And yep. So see you in the community on Meta Horizon. See you!